Sup everybody, it's your boy Devious, aka Crypto Mike Typhon on this motherfucker. And in this video, I wanna tell you why Elon Musk has literally almost nothing to do with the Bitcoin dump. Stop hating on Bitcoin. Leave him alone! Why? Very simple. Look at the fucking chart. Look at the fucking chart. This is the daily of Bitcoin. Look, the money flow for Bitcoin went down since 5th December. It began to go down and down and down, 2020. And it just went down. And we see a huge divergence. Look, money flow going down, the momentum waves going down, but price still rising. At some point, this shit should have broken, you know. Elon Musk is not to be blamed for the money flow going down since remarkably like since the Valentine's Day, like 14th February. The shit went down anyways. If it wasn't Elon who would be the scapegoat, it would be someone else. Look, RSI down, down, down. Look, just look at this stuff. The highs going lower and lower and lower since the fucking January. Lower, lower, lower. What are the price highs doing? Higher, higher, higher. This is a huge bearish divergence, brothers and sisters. Why you blame Elon Musk for this? Elon Musk started sheet posting right around, like, I don't know, couple of days ago or weeks or something, you know. But the shit's been going on for months. It has nothing to do with Elon Musk. It has more to do with Bitcoin's price fucking overpriced. That's all. It's not Elon. It's that Bitcoin is fucking overpriced, and all the other shit coins as well. But that's not all. That's not all. Look, if it was really true that Elon Musk started it, you know, then what it's also saying is that if a single little bullshit shitty tweet from Elona or from anyone else can tank and crash the price, then Bitcoin doesn't deserve this price. It's like a little baby. It's starting to walk, then it falls down, then it gets back up again. So it doesn't deserve the price, and we don't want this weak, unstable Bitcoin. Honestly, do you want to have an asset class in your portfolio which could tank and crash any second? Do you want that? No. So if you don't want that, what else do you want? You want a stable one. You want a strong one. Elona can shitpost and tweet how she wants and nothing happens. This is what we want. For example, if he would talk shit about gold, basically nothing would happen. Or oil. Nothing would happen really. So this is what we want. We want a more stable price. And how do we get a more stable price? Well, it's like training. It doesn't in bodybuilding, it doesn't happen overnight that you get a great muscular body. You have to train for years, and layer by layer your muscles will lay up on each other, and then you will build upon it. And there will be down times, like, I don't know, a couple of months, everything falls down, the situation, you know, is not perfect, so you lose strength, you lose a little muscle, but you continue, and then it's going up. We need this breather for Bitcoin, you know. So because I see it like this: Bitcoin was overpriced, and like this is let's say this is the deserved price. I don't know how much it is. Maybe $35,000. It's the deserved price, which is more deserved. I mean, which is more stable. You know, maybe 35, and we have a headroom, like overpriced region, overpriced zone. And in order for this stable price to rise, of course, at some point we need to relieve all this shit. You know, if you don't jerk off for like 1 month or 2 months, it will explode. Maybe it will explode in the night. You have a wet dream or something, you know? At some point it's gonna explode. Maybe you fuck a chair or you fuck a cat or maybe a woman. Yeah, good idea. But at some point you can't sustain it for too long, like not jerking off or not having orgasm. And the same with Bitcoin. You cannot sustain this overpriced level for too long. At some point it just have to the vapors have to come out, you know. And now after the vapors come out, okay, we now hit a new target, a new level, which is a little bit more stable, more sustainable. But we need to converge to this level. We cannot just drop down to it and we're done. And we say it's a new stable level. No, it's not. Doesn't work like that. We drop down even further, come back up, drop down, up and down, up and down. Everybody's first shock is disappearing. The shock goes away. The mindset changes, more realistic. Also the institutional buyers coming in more and more slowly, and the new price establishes, the new more stable price. And after this, after a little bit of this accumulation and consolidation time, of course we will see a new overpriced Bitcoin. Maybe it will be by the end of this year, maybe towards the September, where we'll see probably something like between $80,000 and $150,000 Bitcoin. I think 100,000 Bitcoin towards the end of September is possible. It's possible. It's not a given, though. It's not a given. We don't know. We will see. We don't know what will happen, because if the price is not stable, like for example, gold is much more stable. A tweet, let's be clear, a fucking shitty tweet cannot move gold. So the price is more stable. And right now we don't have this stability yet. It's getting more stable, but we will see what happens to the future. And also as well, to those who think I'm contradicting myself by saying on the one side the price is not stable, but on the other, and I'm saying Elon Musk wasn't the reason for the crash, and at the same time saying that we have been falling, we were having a bearish divergence for a long time now. My answer is this: it's not Elon who caused the crash, it's the overall development. And it's the overall progression of the Bitcoin price. The bearish divergence, all the momentum going down, all the money flow going down. What do we have now? RSI highs going down, you know, lower highs, lower lows. This is like the basic structure which was the nourishing ground for some little trigger catalyst to appear. And Elon Musk is maybe a catalyst, like a trigger, but if it wouldn't be Elon Musk, it would be someone else. It doesn't matter who would do it. For example, if you have a huge house of cards which is unstable, and it's windy outside, you know, and you have 10 people in the room and the table is unstable, you know, who cares who is the guy that will just walk by this house, like touch it a little bit and it falls down? It doesn't matter who does it, because the overall situation is unstable. That's the point. So blaming Elon for this is silly. Because he couldn't do anything better. If he didn't do it, someone else would do it. It's just like that. It's very easy. So what's the end of the story? We are about 10 minutes now. So my point is this: we just need to smile. Let's smile. Even though you lost, everybody's portfolio is going down, but smile and wait. I personally will probably take profits on big profits on a lot of altcoins, because I'm not sure if it will fall down even further. If it does, then it will be a little bit problematic with the altcoins, because they, of course, they are following Bitcoin. So I might secure at least a little bit of profit. Will I sell Bitcoin? Hell no. No. It's too late. I should have been selling Bitcoin like around the first signs, when we were breaking the head and shoulders neckline. Let me find it here. Where is it? Where do we have the head and shoulders? Okay, let me just. But everybody knows, like here, when we were. Where was it? I'm just too stupid or what? Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You know, there's head and shoulders. I just fuck it up. I'm a degenerate. I'm a disabled monkey. So at this point, right? Let's say like around $46-$45, I might have had to sell or to short. I even fucked up shorting because I didn't believe in my own analysis. I was looking at the chart, I saw this bearish bullshit going on, but I was waiting for confirmation from Carl from the Moon, Crypto, Da Vinci, that they definitely say, okay, now we can, now we are allowed to short, now we are allowed to go down. But I shouldn't have been waiting for so long. I should have been just acting, because at some point you have so much like knowledge and experience that it's better just to see the markets and decide for yourself. It was my mistake, just waiting too long. This is my big mistake. I should have been converting Bitcoin into USDT and shorting it, but I didn't. So what I have to do now is just probably, like I said, secure, not sure, but probably I will secure a big portion of my alts, which will be Matic and VeChain. It's my biggest holdings. These two, and maybe I will convert some of altcoins which I am in negative profit right now, in a loss, just convert it to Bitcoin, because what I saw is a very interesting story. I saw that some coins are going down in USDT, and at the same time they rise in Bitcoin price. So I just convert them to Bitcoin and wait for the better times. This is what I'm probably gonna do. Okay, what else is to say? Cardano is pumping. I'm so happy I never sold my Cardano. Boy, I'm happy. And right now, if I would sell it, I would have some nice USDT. I would have some nice cash. But I just don't feel like selling it. I know it will correct most probably like to 190 or to 150 or even lower for some time. But I'm going for the longer, because if you just think about it, at the end of this year, end of 2021, I cannot imagine that Cardano and VeChain and maybe Cody as well, this AdaPay stuff, I cannot imagine that they are not gonna see like higher highs. $2, $4. Now next point is $4, $6, maybe even $8 or $10 or 16 in the best case. I just feel, for some reason, I feel that Cardano is gonna go higher. I feel it. I feel strength in Cardano. And sometimes my intuition helps me. So what I'm gonna do with Cardano, with maybe 90% probability, I will just keep on holding and staking. Just get the free Cardanos every 5 days on staking, and just waiting for it to hit the insane moon highs, you know. About VeChain, I'm not so sure. I might sell half of my VeChain because I don't know, it has a lot of projects, but I don't know, I don't feel it. I don't feel it too well. What else do we have for potential profit taking? Binance Coin. I am also in very nice profit for Binance Coin. I was just too stupid to not buy more of it. It was the biggest mistake of my life. So, like I said, a couple of coins I'm gonna most probably will take profit, maybe half of it. Also, the coins that are falling in USDT but rising in BTC, I will convert them to BTC, most probably. And of course, the next days, I think we'll have some new trading opportunities where we can leverage trade, and it's important to be prepared. So I'm gonna be prepared. I will look for the good structures, for the patterns which are building right now. Maybe it will be a triangle, angle, whatever angle. Maybe some shoulder and waist patterns, and yeah, just be prepared and put in some nice positions. Look for confluence with market cipher and the MACD and the RSI, and everything is lining up for a breakout. Then just take the trade, because I think the volatility is what we need, yes, for day trading, you know. And it doesn't go, it's not like Bitcoin is telling us, you know, we had a correction and right now I've decided to not be volatile anymore, just from now on. I don't think it's gonna happen. I think the volatility will continue. And yes, so that's my take on this. Thank you for listening. And don't hit the like button. You can unsubscribe, I don't give a shit. You can dislike, you can shit in the comments. I will love to see that, because I don't fucking care. I don't give two shits. What you can do is try to entertain in comments. It would be nice. So if you have your own nice opinions, if you see that I'm wrong and in my reasoning, please point it out, and we'll see. Alrighty then. Have a good day, brother, sister.